Welcome back to Anointed to Bling. It's your girl here, Rein, with another easy upload for you. A cute little tutorial where you see these beautiful little masked vases that I am making for a women's conference that I am doing. These are the centerpieces. Our vision is about taking the masks off, and I thought that this would be a great addition to our decor for our little luncheon. And I'm going to show you how I made these little cuties for about $3 each. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned because you know it's coming up now. This project, here are some supplies that you need. I got all of this stuff at the Dollar Tree. They had these cute little vases. I've never seen this particular style before in my Dollar Tree, so I grabbed this. And they also have these masks that I thought were so cute. Now, the event that I'm doing is a transformation women's conference, and it's all about taking off our masks, so I thought that this would be really cute for decorations. I got one in pink and one in gold because our colors are pink, black, gold, and silver. So I thought that was really dope, as well as some hints of purple. And then of course you can grab some flowers from Dollar Tree. I got just a few different ones that I'm going to kind of mix and match to create an arrangement. And then there's my handy dandy mirror box right here. If you want to know how I made this, there is a tutorial on it that I will link this back to. But my arrangement is going to sit just right on top of there. And the plan is to attach this mask to it and then create a flower arrangement coming out of it. So I'm going to do some work on it and then come back and show you how I'm putting it together piece by piece. Be right back. All right, so I was going to leave these white and fill them up with some rocks that I had, and I actually did not like it against the mask. So I'm going to go ahead and spray paint these black since our colors are pink, black, white, silver, and gold. And hopefully I will like how this turns out. Now I'm going to spray the inside of these instead of the outside because the goal here is to keep the shine. When you are spray painting, don't do what I did. First of all, wear gloves. I don't know why I never do. It's so nerve-wracking. I really got to do better. But I sprayed it a little bit too close, and so you probably saw that dripping. That's what you want to avoid. When you're spraying on the inside, you will get buildup. So you want distant, short bursts, not up close like I was, so that you don't have to turn them over and let all the spray paint run out of the inside of it and create drips. I ended up going back and spray painting it on the outside, and it still retained its shine because of the spray paint that I used. So it really is up to you. Now we need a plan for decorating this thing, and I'm thinking I'm going to take that bling strip and run it around the bottom and the top and just kind of see where this mask is going to lay on there so that I know where to attach it. I've cut the strings off the mask, and I'm going to attach the mask a little bit later to the vase itself, but you really don't need those ribbons. So you want to just make sure that you place this right so that it's not too low on the vase or too high, and that it isn't crooked. I ended up having to take a couple off, so be mindful of that. Running the bling strip on here is super easy. Running that hot glue, laying that bling, that's about it at the top and the bottom, and you're done in about 2 minutes. Voila! And once you're done, you're ready to go ahead and lay some glue on the inside of that mask, specifically where it's going to touch your vase. And you're going to just lay that neatly. Now take your time. Again, you want to position these just right. This mask has a lot of give, so you really want to be careful. I added a little more glue along the outer edges just to make sure that it adhered correctly. I did notice that it popped up. So you want to find the sweet spot so that when you bend that mask and attach it to the vase, it's going to stay. You also might want to use a little bit of E6000 along with the hot glue. It's totally up to you. When I found the sweet spots, it absolutely worked. I have no complaints. And here is the final look. Aren't these absolutely super cute? They are small. I needed small centerpieces. You can, of course, do this on bigger vases, but I really like how they came out. I'm so glad that I ended up painting the vases black instead of leaving them white, but that is up to you. You can fill them up. I chose actually not to use the flowers that I showed you in the beginning because the richness of the masks did not blend well with the paleness of the flowers. Those flowers were more pastel, and when I finished them, I just really didn't think I needed them. I thought that they spoke very, very well on their own, so I decided to leave them as is. But these came out super cute. These can be for any Mardi Gras party that you're doing, any masquerade party that you're doing, even a wedding, even as home decor if you have some rich colors and you want to put them on a shelf to enhance that shelf. Listen, you can do a lot with these. You are not limited to a certain season. Again, I'm using these for my women's conference where we are going to set the women free who have been dealing with secret sexual traumas and other types of traumas and abuses. It's a healing event, and I'm really proud of how these came out. I also cannot complain about the fact that these Dollar Tree vases, these Dollar Tree masks gave me life. If I had to decorate these on my own, this is exactly how I would have done it for these little bitty masks. So you know what? For $1, I think I really came up making these only $3 to make. Come on now, you just need a vase, a little bit of bling, and the mask. $3, you can make a ton, and I was able to make 14 of these, for what I'm doing. So remember, the work of your hands are blessed. I don't know how I came up with putting that mask on the front of that vase. It just came to me. I don't know. You know why? Because we're gifted like that. Because we're blessed like that. Because when we see something, it becomes a miracle in our hands. I'm trying to told y'all. So when you're passing by those little Dollar Tree items, pick them up and bring life to them. All right, y'all, you know what I'm going to say. Your hands are anointed to do mighty things, and you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Thank you for watching. Don't keep me a secret. Share me and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I thank you for watching. And for those of you that are my faithful followers, I love you. Until next project, be blessed.